Hey everyone, we are back and it is another bright or overcast morning here in Summer Leys. Back here again today. Essentially a man on a mission. If you see my last video, you'll notice that I spoke about bullfinches and how I saw one years and years ago. I'd love to see one again. Didn't get lucky last time round. However, not long after I got home, after recording the last video, what pops up on Facebook? Spotting of bullfinches. Literally about 20 minutes after I left, they were there. So today we're going to attempt to get the shot ourselves. Hopefully we get a little bit of luck. Could do a little bit of luck with regards to that. Had a good couple of days. I came up here scouting last night, hoping to see something last night. There was nothing. Did get a nice picture of a long-tailed tit though, which I'll put up. It was gorgeous, but the heat wave's now gone. Things have cooled right down. We have the sheep behind us. Not going to mistake them for deer again this time. And let's see what we can get. But if we don't get the bullfinch, I'm hoping for a lot of different species this morning. So it's either bullfinch or see as many different species as we can. And hopefully I get lucky. Today, it's gonna be the day. It's quite fair. I did get good luck last time with the foxes, so I can't really complain. But anyway, we're coming up to the hide now. We'll get set up and then we'll get cracking. So I'll see you when we're there. Okay, so just after I spoke to you, I need to be super quiet because there is a greater spotted woodpecker over there. It's on the feeder. I need to get this shot. Fingers crossed we get it and hopefully we get lucky. Could do with a bit of luck. Right, so we're here. The woodpecker got spooked, so it's not that good from that perspective. However, it's cool to have seen it, but I'm hoping to show you guys as well. But it's quite busy here this morning. There's quite a few things knocking about, which is good. Lots of teased. So we had loads of activity regarding, blue tits, cold tits and that sort of thing, and then it's just gone really, really quiet. Everything's disappeared and scampered off. I've been here about 15 minutes or so, hoping something else would pop up, but so far nothing. But we play the long game, and it's the long game that we should play. We're gonna win this. Anyway, is that something there? So we are now out of that hide. I've been in that hide for about an hour and a half, and I didn't think I was going to get lucky, but we did get the greatest spot of woodpecker. And it was sort of surreal in a way. I was just sitting there, and for about 20 minutes there was absolutely nothing, albeit a squirrel picking up stuff on the floor. But all of a sudden I hear something hit a branch, jump onto the branch to the right of the feeder, get my camera up, have a look. The woodpecker's sat there, and then it's immediately just straight to the feeder, and it's probably been on there for about 5-10 minutes. So allow me to get some great footage. I was going to show you all now. But okay, no bullfinch this morning as of yet, and I'd be gutted if we don't. But do you know what? Even if it turns out I only get the woodpecker this morning, what a start! What a day! What a day! And it's a bird I've never seen before, like ever. Seen lots of green woodpeckers, but never a greater spot of woodpecker. So, success? I think so. But we'll have a quick walk around, see what else we can see before we need to head back home. But yeah, worthwhile. Early starts are worthwhile. I'm happy. Right, it looks like we are going to end today without seeing a bullfinch, and I think this is a lesson that I probably needed to learn. So being my first month in photography, being quite lucky so far, and obviously still really lucky with the woodpecker, do not get me wrong in the slightest, but coming out and trying to expect to get what you want to get, I've got to realise it's nature, and that's not how it works. One day I will get that bullfinch shot and I will share it with you all because I am so determined to get it. But I also feel humbled that I almost didn't get the shot, because that's the way it goes. I will see them. But anyway, for those that are watching, I will say thank you so much. Please do subscribe if you are new to the channel. Would help absolutely immensely. And we've got on these journeys, and we'll start seeing some more cool things. All right, take care now. Bye.